Dear student, after the Diwali break, we are continuing on the half yearly syllabus, and today we will take the practice of a multiple choice question. First question is, find an irrational number between irrational number between 2 and 2.5. If we find a rational number between 2 and 2.5 is, if two numbers are a and b, then rational number is a plus b by 2. Rational number between a and b. And irrational number is square root of ab. So in this question we are finding this using the square root of ab. So square root of 2 into 2.5. Multiplication of 2 and 2.5 is 5.0 and final answer is root 5. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आपको मिलेंगे रूट 2, रूट 3, रूट 5 and number may be 2.5. So root 5 is the answer. Next question is, express the number 0.32 bar in the form of p by q. Express 0.32 bar in the form of p by q. In the form of p by q. मैं 0.32 बार को p by q के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. So let x equal to 0.32 bar. Here 2 is repeating. This is the equation first. Here one digit is repeating, so we should multiply it by 10. But before the repeating number, here 3 is the odd number and this is the single number, so we should multiply it by 10. अब ये 3 यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होगा 3.222 and dash. The equation second, and we can subtract the equation first and second. यहाँ पे भी आप subtract कर सकते हो. और एक और अनदर मेथड है कि एक बार एक इक्वेशन और बनाओ. Here 2 is repeating, so multiplying by 10, so 100x. So here 32.222 is the equation third, and subtract equation second from third. Third minus second, 100 minus 10, 90x. Here same digits are 0, whose difference is 0, and 32 minus 3 is 29, and final answer is 29 by 90 is in the form of p by q. Next question is, which of the following is rational? In the rational and irrational number, this type of multiple choice question can be arised. Which of the following is rational? Here 4 numbers are given and we should identify the rational number. Here number is root 3 pi, 5 by 0 and 0 by 5. Out of this number, which of the following is rational? We should identify the rational number. So root 3 Square root of any prime number is irrational. Pi is irrational. The value of pi is 22 by 7, but it's not a exact 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is a rational. 22 by 7 is a rational, but pi is not a rational because it's not a exact value of 22 by 7. So both are not rational. 5 by 0, any number divided by 0 is not defined, so it is not rational. And 0 by 5 is 0. 0 by 5 is 0, and 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So 0 by 5 is a rational number because 0 satisfies the definition of rational number. Next question is, if 10 to the power 2y equal to 25. If 10 to the power 2y equal to, question number 4, 25, and find the value of 10 to the power minus y. 10 to the power minus y की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है और गिवन है कि 10 to the power 2y is 25. So first of all we should convert this value 10 to the power 2y and y to the power 2, because the laws of exponent a to the power m into a to the power m to the power n. पावर के ऊपर पावर हो तो क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई. So multiplication of mn we can written in the form. So 10 to the power y to the power 2. 25 को लिख सकते हैं 5 की पावर 2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल और 10 to the power y कितना हो गया? 5. Again put the value of 10 to the power y. हमें y की वैल्यू नहीं निकालना है, सीधे 10 to the power y की वैल्यू पुट करो. Here 10 to the power minus y, we should determine the value of 10 to the power minus y. So 10 to the power minus y is 1 upon 10 to the power y, and 1 upon 10 to the power y is 5. So our final answer is 1 by 5. Next question is, question number 5. If 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 equal to 24, it is given, and find the value of 2x to the power x. Find the value of this number. In this question we are finding the value of x. हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करना पड़ेगी. Here 4 to the power x and 4 to the power x minus 1 is given. So we can written 4 to the power x and 4 to the power x minus 1 को लिख सकते हैं 4 to the power x into 4 to the power minus 1. In the multiplication power should be added. So x plus minus 1, x plus minus 1 is x minus 1, और ये आपका 24. अब 4 to the power x कॉमन, ये रिमेनिंग 1 माइनस 4 to the power minus 1, ये अपना 24. फिर 4 to the power x, ये 1, और 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4, 24. upon 1 and taking LCM, 1 और 4 का LCM 4, 4 1 the 4, 1 into 1 1, ये अपना 24. In the next term 4 to the power x, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4 equal to 24, and 4 to the power x, 24 into 4 upon 3, 3 8s are 24. In the next term 4 to the power x, and 8 can be written 2 into 2 into 2. Here 4, 2 into 2. Here 4 can be written 2 to the power 2, and again power x, so 2x. यहाँ पर 2 कितना है? 2 to the power 5. Then again we should compare. Here base are same, then power should be same. So 2x equal to 5, then x equal to 5 by 2. The value of x is 5 by 2. Put the value of x in this term. 2. The value of x is 5 by 2, and again power 5 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel, and 5 to the power 5 by 2. And next 5 to the power 5 by 2, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 5 की पावर 2 and half. 5 की पावर 2 और into 5 की पावर हाफ. 5 की पावर 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 25, और 5 के पावर हाफ मीन्स √5. So final answer is 25 √5. This question is based on laws of exponent. Next question is the rationalized factor of √3. √3 का रैशनलाइज फैक्टर, और यहाँ पर ऑप्शन है -√3, 1 upon √3, and next 2√3 and -2√3. And we should determine the rationalized factor of √3. √3 का rationalized factor. In the rationalization, a plus b √3, इसका rationalized factor होता है a minus b √3. In the here, if plus and minus, then sign should be changed. But here the only the single term, so its rationalized factor is 1 upon √3. √3 and √3 cancel, and answer is 1. 1 is not answer. Here 1 by √3 is answer. इसका rationalized factor आपको इस वे में फाइंड करना होगा कि यहाँ पर आपका आंसर क्या बने? रेशनल नंबर. बाय विच नंबर वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर, देन आवर फाइनल आंसर विल बी रेशनल. सो हियर rationalized factor is 1 by √3. Next question is rationalized factor of 2 plus √3. अब 2 plus √3, अगर क्वेश्चन ये हो, find the rationalized factor of 2 plus √3. So its rationalized factor is 2 minus √3. इसका rationalization हम क्या करते हैं? 1 upon 2 plus √3. तो साइन चेंज करते हैं, 2 minus √3 and 2 minus √3. यहाँ साइन चेंज करने से क्या होगा? यहाँ पर जैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा और आंसर बनेगा आपका रेशनल नंबर. सो its rationalized factor is 2 minus √3. तो यहाँ पर इसका आंसर आएगा 2 minus √3. यहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शन है, 2 minus √3, √2 plus 3, next √2 minus 3, and √3 minus 2. These 4 options are given, and correct option is 2 minus √3. Next question is, if x plus 1 upon x equal to 3, if x plus 1 upon x equal to 3, and find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. a plus b given है और find करना है a square plus b square. So we are using the a plus b whole square. a square plus b square plus 2ab. ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करना है. In place of x, in place of b 1 upon x square. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. X से x cancel. X plus 1 upon x is 3. 3 का square. x square plus 1 upon x square. ये find करना है. And plus 2. 3 का square 9. ये x square plus 1 upon x square. ये plus 2. 2 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लो. 9 minus 2 और x square plus 1 upon x square. 9 minus 2 is 7 and x square plus 1 upon x square. Next question is पे if a by b plus b by a equal to minus 1. Question number 9. If a by b plus b by a equal to minus 1 and find the value of a cube minus b cube. अब a cube minus b cube तो आपको आइडेंटिटी पता होना चाहिए a cube minus b cube की. और a cube minus b cube की आइडेंटिटी दो टाइप से होती है. एक तो a cube minus b cube ये होगा a minus b in the first bracket and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. इससे ही काम हो जाएगा. और एक और हम यूज कर सकते हैं a minus b का होल क्यूब. ये होता है a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. But in this question we are solving our question with the help of this identity. So first of all, the given term is a by b plus b by a. Taking the LCM ab and cross multiplied a square plus b square equal to minus 1 and a square plus b square equal to minus ab. This is the equation first and put the value of a square plus b square in this term. So here a minus b and here a square plus b square plus ab. ये a square plus b square. a minus b a square plus b square होगा अपना minus ab. ये plus ab. कहाँ से? From equation first. ab से ab cancel. और a minus b into 0 whose difference is 0 and whose product is also 0. So the final answer of a cube minus b cube is 0.